You know what time it is? It's mail call time. Yeah. Yeah, mail call time. Let's get to this stuff. Alright, I'm waiting on Maddie. She's got mail too. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas. Big W made me this. Yes, he did. And his link is down below, as I always tell you. Actually, if you don't want to go through the mail, at least go to the end and look at our awesome sticker boards. Awesome. Yeah. Here we go. You know what? We're just going to go ahead and do this. We're going to show you, before we put the new stickers on here, we're going to show you where we're at. That's Maddie's board. All these people on YouTube or some on Instagram have sent Maddie mail. And if it's stickers, it goes on her board. She loves her board. Her board is almost full. Here's my first board from awesome people, awesome channels. Right there, right there. And here's my new board. This is what we're filling up today on mine. Maddie's got mail in there too. All right, Barbecue Pit Dog right there. Yeah, I just did a collab with him. Yeah. All right. You ready to get her done? All right. All right, here comes the first one. This is going to be on YouTube. It's Rob Painless out of West Texas. That's right. My boy's out there working out in them oil fields out that way. He's from Amherst, Texas. Right now on YouTube, he's doing a bug out exercise with two of his friends. If you want to catch that series, if you like the bug outs, check them out. Tell them Papa Texas sent you. And what he sent us, Maddie and Aubrey collect box tops. So he was kind enough, and if y'all want to do the same thing, you are welcome to also. These box tops help the school raise money. That's right. And I thought it'd be really cool if people just out of the goodness of their heart, because I got a bunch of y'all out there. Y'all want to cut these off of everything, the stuff you buy, and you can just save them up and then just send them to my P.O. box. It's down in the descriptions on my About page. And you can send it Papa Texas for Maddie and Aubrey, or you can just say Papa Texas and I know what they are.
Just don't cut on the white part.
Don't cut on the white part. That's right, she's smart. She knows stuff like that. Here we go. Hi Papa. Here is the box tops we have collected so far. Not many, but we don't seem to buy a lot of things that have them. Yeah, he messed up on the deadline, but it's fine because they have dates on them. But these will work for next year. That's right. You have a jar at home that you put these in?
I just put them on a bag.
Do you count them to know how much you put in there, or does your teacher do that?
I don't really count them.
You don't really count them. The teacher does for the class. So it's not the individual person, it's just per class counts. Okay, we're gonna move on. You know what, I'm gonna do this one real quick. Sorry, Maddie, I pulled it out. This right here, there it goes. This one right here, as you can see it, I'm fixing to pull it over here so I can read it. They're from Instagram. Oh! If you're on Instagram, this is Chris and Diane Schroeder, and they're called C&D Craft Works. I will leave them in the description. Everybody here will be down in my description. You can go check their channels out. Or your Instagrams. Papa's got Instagram, I love it. And we got two little ones. But what did they do? They sent Maddie one and me one. Oh, C&D Craft Works. They're out of Jacksonville, Illinois. That's right. Woodworking and crafts. Go check them out. We'll show that one. That's pretty cool. This is Brad's workbench. And yes, it says for Maddie on the back of yours, and this one's for me. Hey Papa, just wanted to send you my channel sticker. Although we are in different genres, if you like my channel, feel free to shout it out. Thanks for the positive energy and great videos, Brad. There's my bell. Okay, one thing about Brad, let's see, he's back up here. He's in Louise, Texas, a tool addict. Tool reviews, woodworking. He works out in the West Texas oil fields out there where my son does. That's right. He's an electrician out there. but he lives, Louise is out by Houston. So he's like my boy. You know, they got 6-hour drives to get out there, and then they work out there for a long time. This one here is Jake, not from State Farm. This is Jake, Texas bow hunter. I've met up with Jake a few times, of course, Fort Worth, Texas.
This is a cool field.
It's an arrowhead, baby. Or, yeah, arrowhead, because he's a bow hunter. There's his sticker. Very cool sticker. Yeah, it is pretty cool field. So he's the one that we're going to go camping with, and he's got the 3 daughters, and each one's 1 year older than all 3 of y'all. And you're all girls. We're going to be cooking a lot, and that's going to be a busy weekend. Jake and I have met up a few times. We've cooked together. I'm sure you've probably seen Texas Dutch Oven cooking. We both just cooked in Dutch ovens. That was pretty cool. We'll see you again. I wonder if you're coming out to the YouTube camping trip in North Texas this year. That's right. We're going to have over 100 people out there. You better get your reservations now. They're going to be gone. Harmon Heat is a good one too. I know he just got these in there. He's got t-shirts too. Here's a little something for your sticker board. Harmon Heat. Okay, that's Justin Sr. out in Baltimore. Oh, and he sent me Baltimore goodies, man. Royal Farms. Those chips were so good. Royal Farms, the company, sent me a care package for me and Billy over there at Strong's Adventures. We're getting to it. We're getting to it. When we get back together the next time, we will open that up. It's got more than chips in it, but it's got chips in it. And they're like some of the most awesome chips. You know, Papa likes some different awesome stuff. He's doing a thing about eating the hottest things in the world, and go watch his challenges, you know, him and his buddy. And a couple things about it. He was one of those that just made comments and never made videos. Boom, he flipped that camera around. It's on him and him doing stuff, and he's doing great, kind of like Strong's Adventures. They just started, I don't know, 8 months ago making videos. They were always just commenters. All right, we're gonna get these stickers on, and oh, check this out. A company sent me a sleeping hammock to review. I love free stuff and reviews, man. That is awesome. And what I get, Uncle Steve sent me another package. Check this one out. I got 2 of these awesome insulated cups, and check this out. Let's grab them. Here, check these out. Look at the special labels he made. Here's Gator Rub, Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. I got a few of these going out with a special edition label. Jack's Drink Water. I'd like for you to have one of these special editions. I know you're looking for some Gator Shake. I'm gonna leave a link to him down there below. His cooking channel is doing really well. I really like his channel and what he cooks. But he mentioned he wants some Gator Shake. All right, that's what we had. We'll get back here in just a minute. All right, well, I put on mine right there. Put them all up right there. Very cool stickers. Remember, you'll find C&D Craftworks on Instagram, but all links will be left down below. We'll come back to that right there in just a second. Maddie, where'd you put yours?
Here.
And look, Uncle Steve's Shake. Yeah. Check it out. There's the special edition Papa Texas. Yeah. It's Papa Texas. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, ain't it? Ain't that a cool clock? Maddie, we didn't record any of that. We missed some stuff. I might have to step in here and re-edit and add something, but as far as I know, this right here, the special edition bottles, these are going out to a couple of my friends that have been long-term with me that'll make a cooking video talking about Uncle Steve's Shake. That's right. And if you go to Uncle Steve's Shake, the link is down below, and order some of this awesome stuff, I recommend right now. Well,
Shake.
yeah, the Gator Shake, but that Spicy R is really good too. But there ain't nothing wrong with the original. Now the thick meat we haven't tried yet, but the thick meat, it's peppery. You can smell the pepper in it, and you were eating on it the other day. You know that. So I don't have a problem with any of these. You know we're filming here. Let me know. This is not round two. A round two is coming up, and going to be a regular one. I just want to get a couple of these out there, and there's a couple of y'all that got this that said you were going to make a video of it. I haven't seen it yet. We're putting them in a couple playlists for y'all. That's right. They should get more views. It's Papa. It's
Maddie.
It's Papa Texas. Yeah. That hits me every once in a while in the head. Yeah.